probably noticed I've got a YouTube channel, and if you watch people like Rick Beato, you'll know that running a YouTube channel is not the most straightforward thing. There are lots of inconsistencies and loopholes you need to get around in order to grow. So for me, at the moment, my big dilemma is, what I'd like to do is become a YouTube partner. That would allow me to be able to actually almost run the YouTube channel as a business. I could put a merchandising store on here, link a Patreon account. The thing is, in order to become a YouTube partner, you need to be assessed by a real human. And that has happened on my channel. And guess what, folks? Spoiler alert! I was rejected. So what was the reason I was rejected? Well, I haven't got enough unique material. Not enough creativity on the channel. Can you believe? Even though I've got this moment, I've got about 50 or 60 tutorial videos and original Boogie Woogie songs. But the thing is, you see, it seems like they didn't actually look at those videos at all. They just looked at the videos that have got the most watch time. And of course on my channel, the ones with the most watch time are the compilation videos I've done, which are designed to spread the word of Boogie Woogie. I've got a video that showcases Boogie Woogie women, for instance. Because Boogie Woogie women, there's so much brilliant talent out there, and it's just not getting across, so I thought, yeah, I'll do a top 5 Boogie Woogie women. It seems like you guys out there really enjoyed it. Huge number of comments and views. But the thing is, YouTube actually want me to delete the video in order to become a YouTube partner. I mean, there's no copyright issues there. I'm very careful not to have any copyright issues on my channel. Fortunately, YouTube warns you every time you upload a video. It scans it for copyright issues and tells you if you're infringing anywhere. So I know I'm okay clean there, but the thing is, what you can really do to help me, I know you've already subscribed, but that's not really the issue. I need you to watch this video all the way to the end if possible. Because this will be classed as a creative video, I hope. There's certainly nobody else doing a Boogie Woogie version of the Pink Panther on YouTube at the moment. moment. So if you could watch right to the end, that would be fantastic. That will really get my watch time up for videos that are actually classed as creative. And if you could give me a thumbs up on this video, it would be fantastic, because that would draw more people to the video. And better still, leave a comment. So if you leave a comment, YouTube can see that my audience, that's you guys, are engaged in the subject matter, which is, of course, Boogie Woogie! So before I go back to the Pink Panther, please do those two things: a thumbs up, comment, tell me what sort of videos you'd like to see on the channel. That would be brilliant. And if you can't think of anything to write in the comments, just tell me what brought you here. What video were you watching before you got here? Here we go then. Let's get back to the Pink Panther. If you'd like to see a version, either a tutorial video for the Pink Panther, I'll do it. And if you'd like to see a cut down version of just the music, because not everybody wants to learn Boogie Woogie, some people just want to listen. If you want just the version, proper short 3-minute Boogie Woogie version, leave me a note in the comments and I'll do that. Thank you for watching. Here we go. Oh, missed it. Do it this time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Wish me luck. This is the Boogie Woogie Boss signing off.